Today I am going to explain input output statements in Java. System dot out dot println or system dot out dot print. These two statements we are using. Out of these two, any one statement we can use to print the output in the console. System.out.println or system.out.print. Only the difference, when you use the println, it's print the content in the line and take the control to next line. But when I use the system.out.print, it print the content in the line, it's not taking the control to next line. That is the difference between system.out and system.out.println. In this statement, system is a class. It is a predefined class. It is present in the java.lang package. And out is the output stream static reference. Output stream static reference. Inside that output stream class, print or println predefined methods are there. Anyone you can call to print the output in the console. Okay. Here out is the print stream static object reference. System is a predefined class. It is present in the java.lang package. Out is the static object reference of predefined print stream class. Print and println, these two are the methods are present in the print stream class. When I call these two methods, it's print the content in the console. Okay, this one we call it as a composed statement. Okay, what is the meaning of composed statement or what is composition? Everything you will get to know in the composition concept. Just remember it. When interview asks the question, explain about system.out.print or println, you have to explain like this. System is a class. It is present in the java.lang package. Out is the static object reference of print stream class. Print and println are the overloaded methods which are present in the print stream class. When I use these two statements, it's print the output in the console. Okay, this is about system.out.println. Let's see one example. For example, in Java, you have to print your name in the console. For that, first you have to write class example. Here I am taking the main x1. This is the class name I given. Inside that you should be write the public static void main. String array as an argument. This is the main method. Okay, now when I run this program, I want to print my name. So for that you have to use system.out.println. Okay, your name you have to give. Here my name is Raghu, so I am giving the name is what? Raghu. Then the second line, I want to print my contact number. For that, system.out.println, I'm going to print my number. It's an integer, no need to use the double quote. Okay, like this you have to print the name. Close the main method and close the class. Main method is closed here, class is closed here. This is about the system.out.println. See, this is the output statement in Java. System.out.println. System is a class. Out is a static object reference. Println is a method. Print and println. Only the difference. Println it's print the content, take the control to next line. Print it's print the content and take the it makes the statement to stay in the same line. Println print the content and take the control to next line. Print is not taking the control to next line. System is a class. It is present in the java.lang package. Out is the static object reference which is present in the system class. Print and println are the overloaded method which are present in the print stream class. Here this is a composed statement. Okay, what is composed statement? Everything will get to know in the composition and aggregation concept. Okay, this is about the system.out.println. This statement we are using in Java to print the content and the console.